Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Hello friends and welcome to our channel TubeCore, and in this video we are going to review a product called Traffic Express. So this is a Traffic Express review. This is a product which is supposed to be launched on 27th, I think, on 27th of June on Warrior Plus, and I'm very happy that I'm going to expose another scam product from Warrior Plus. So make sure you stick till the end, subscribe to the channel, and watch this video completely. If you don't watch it till the end, you will lose your money for sure. Okay, so stick till the end. All right, now let's start the review here. It says the Traffic Express generating to us free on-demand buyer leads in a minute, $850 to $870 per day, buyer leads in 30 minutes, and make to us. It's not make to us, it should be make us. Anyways, grammar it's English mistake here, so it should be make to whatever. So 467 per day in just minutes. All right, now it makes them $467 per day. All right, now first of all, I need this calculation. How did you calculate this amount? Give me a figure. What do you buy? What did you purchase? What did you spend? How much profit did you make? I want to see this calculation. How did you give this number just like that? So you should ask this question to yourself. Why is it 467? Why is it not 567? Why is it not 1000? Why is it not 200? Why is it 467? What is the idea? What is going on here? So ask this question to yourself, because this is a fake number. They're not making any shit. All right, they're making nothing from this. It is a scam software. I'll prove it in a minute. So 850 to 870 daily buyer leads. So they're giving you leads and all that crap. Now just imagine here, friends, if anybody is making $450 per day, they don't need to come to Warrior Plus to get their product launched and sell it for 10 bucks, 20 bucks or whatever, right? If I'm getting $450 per day, I will never make these kind of products and list them on Warrior Plus. Are you getting my point? So here it says new case study and training reveals a little known Traffic Express hack that's making us 58K per month. Are you joking? Yeah, you must be joking, right? 58K per month, and you're coming here on Warrior Plus to make few single bucks, right? So this is all totally scam. Let me see what is the pricing of the software here. It is around 17 bucks to start with. Okay, so they're selling out this software for 17 bucks, and they're claiming that it makes them 58,000 monthly. Are you shitting me? Maybe, yeah. So let's go into the details here. Don't watch this brainwashing video, it's only waste of your time. So first it says you're gonna get some free solo ads. Free solo ads? Even paid solo ads don't work these days. You go on udemy.com, you buy solo ads, you will never get sales there. Hardly you will get any sales. Okay, so even paid solo ads don't work anymore. How come you're saying free solo ads gonna work? And then free 12,000 visitors, free credit, this and that. So technically they will ask you to spam Facebook or Twitter, Instagram. That's your free traffic. And some free solo ads, again, they're not gonna work. Let's cut the crap and let's go down to the bottom. And so it's quite the same scamming website which you see everywhere on Warrior Plus. And now we'll look into the 3 steps, magical 3 steps. Every make money on online website has got 3 steps. There's no 4th step. There are no 2 steps. There are no 4 steps. It's only 3. Okay. First, buy the copy, get ripped off. Second, log in and put in your affiliate link. Third, go to sleep. Forget about your money. That's what they're saying. These are those 3 steps. Okay. First, give them the money. Forget about it. Second, put in your link. Third, go to sleep and you will never make money. Second day, you just forget about that you did something last night. Okay, that's what these 3 steps mean. Let's go further down here and let's see if they have a demo video on the website or not. They have upgrades as well. Okay, so some fools are gonna buy some upgrades as well. This world is full of fools, so of course this product might get sold by some affiliates. Okay, we got the demo now. We were looking for the demo. Let's play the demo here and you will see everything in front of your eyes. Okay, they have a voice. I don't have a mute button here. I can't mute, or let me see what happens. Right, I can't mute it, so I will not be able to play the video. So I'll not play the video, unfortunately, because the mute is not working on their website. And okay, let me just explain this, the options here. What is traffic? It's just a tutorial video they have. Free traffic on demand, and free traffic exchange, free traffic, cheap solo ads, done for you campaigns, upgrade this and that. So free traffic is something, let me see if I can go further somewhere here. Just, it's not even giving me to go further. Okay, let me see if I have the option somewhere here. Okay, here I can mute the video and show this to you. Okay, let's do the demo here. Right, so this is the dashboard, and if you go further here, you see this is all just waste of time. So they're going to teach you what is affiliate marketing. This is going to teach you what instant buy traffic, unlimited Facebook traffic, free solo ads, this credit. And then if you go further in the dashboard, what God knows what this all crap is. Free ad bid traffic. Okay, you're not getting anything from this dashboard. There are some only tutorial videos, and they're gonna ask you to buy some solo ads, I guess. They will give you a list. So you see, these are the list of those solo vendors they have in the dashboard, and once you click on it, so they're gonna make you buy. So once you buy this software, and then inside that you have to buy some solo ads too, and it's gonna cost you a lot of money. So by buying this software, you're not gonna make any kind of money. You know, it's all kind of, I don't want to take the word again and again, but you know what I mean. Okay, so it's all bogus. You will never make any money with this particular software or any other software on the internet which claims that you're going to make some money. So let's go through the website again, and let's see if you have anything at the bottom which you need to check. Maybe a disclaimer. They don't even have a disclaimer. Okay, in like high unlikely event you don't feel traffic EXPREESS lives up to your reclaim this page, you can get a refund. So yeah, they have 30 days refund. They don't have any income disclaimer though. But just keep it, keep it simple. If you buy this, you will lose your 17 bucks or more. This will never make you any money. If it was making them any money, they will not come on Warrior Plus and list their product. Okay, that's the truth. So grow your skill set. If you want to make some money online, be skillful, learn how to make YouTube videos, learn how to make websites, learn how to do SEO, learn how to write content, how to write blogs, learn something. Because once you master a skill, once you have something, as a skill inside you, then you can make money online or offline. If you don't have any skill inside you, until then, you will just keep looking for these kind of magical products, and you will keep losing your money. So do not depend on somebody else. Nobody else in the world can give you a system which will make you money. So grow your skills, watch YouTube videos, go on to Google and learn something. Unless you don't know what to do, you can never make any money. Okay, so thank you so much for listening to me. Do subscribe to my channel, because we give you honest reviews here, and we save you a lot of money. We already have saved a lot of money off other people. So keep subscribing to our channel, keep watching our videos. We will definitely help you to choose the right product, and you will save your money, which you can use on something better. Okay, we'll end this video for now. Thank you.